Are you looking for a way to pack your t-shirts efficiently in order to save space? Keep watching. I'm going to show you how to do the Ranger roll step by step. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is lay your shirt out as flat as possible. There we go. Then, what you want to do is right here. You want to get this folded. So, you want to make sure you fold this, but I would say probably around 3 inches, because if you don't do it enough, you're not going to be able to do it. Now you also want to get this about as even as you can here, so it should be bigger than your thumb. There you go, something like that. So next we want to fold this. Let's go ahead and bring that over. And this side as well. Now we're actually going to start rolling from the top of the shirt, not the bottom. So what we're going to do is you're going to roll it. Now try to roll this as tight as possible. This is really the secret. So just take your time. Roll this all the way up. Okay. So now that we have it rolled up, what we're going to do, we're just going to grab this and pull it over. Just like that. Now if you did this correctly, this should look exactly like a burrito. Check out the playlist below so you can get more information on how to take care of your shirts. But if you're looking to not only look good, but want to be captivating, then after you subscribe, you're going to want to ring that bell so you can be alerted when I have new information to share with you.